How to set up and use Siri on iPhone. Activate Hey Siri. Here's how to activate it and start using Apple's voice assistant. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Siri or Apple Intelligence in Siri, depending on your iOS version. Now, turn on Talk to Siri or Listen for Hey Siri if the option is available on your iPhone. You can also enable Press Side button for Siri, so you can launch Siri by pressing and holding the side button. If you're setting up Siri for the first time, tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to say a few phrases so Siri can recognize your voice. Once the setup is complete, say Hey Siri or Siri, depending on your settings, or press and hold the side button to activate Siri. Now you can ask the Siri to do things like make a phone call, send a message, set an alarm, check the weather, play music, open apps, create reminders, or answer general questions. If Siri isn't responding, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and that Talk to Siri or Press Side button for Siri is enabled in the Siri settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up and activated Siri on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.